Chapter 12 Was Were. Learn with me. Read and understand. He was happy. They were laughing. The word was and were are the past tense form of the verb be. They may be used as main verbs or as helping verbs. As main verb, I was tired. They were late. As helping verbs, Sarita was writing a story. They were going to a party. Remember, we use was with I, he, she, it, everybody, somebody, nobody, everyone, someone, no one, and singular noun. Were with you, we, they, and plural noun. Note, I, he, she, it was drinking water. We, you, they, the girls were studying hard. Learn with me. Forming question. Read these sentences. See how questions are formed by changing the places of the verb. He was ill. Was he ill? They were at home. Were they at home? Learn with me. Past form. To talk about actions that took place in the past, we use the past form of the doing words. Quite often, this is done by adding d or ed to the verb, such as close plus d, closed, and play plus ed, played. Read these sentences carefully. I play cricket every Sunday. I played cricket yesterday. The first sentence is about something that happens again and again. Here, the doing words is play. The second sentence is about something that happened yesterday. The doing word here is played, where we have added ed to play. Rule 1. We often add ed to the doing word when we talk about something that happened in the past, yesterday, last week, last Monday, 4 days ago, or few minutes ago. For example, rain, rained, jump, jumped, wash, washed. Rule 2. If a doing word ends with e, we add only d. For example, like, liked, close, closed. Rule 3. The last letter of some verbs is doubled when ed is added to it. For example, stop, stopped, admit, admitted, level, leveled, skip, skipped, fit, fitted, travel, travelled, refer, referred, commit, committed, quarrel, quarrelled. Learn with me. Some words do not follow any pattern and change their form completely in past tense. See some example. Buy, bought, meet, met, speak, spoke, make, made, go, went, eat, ate.